Right, folks, it's a beautiful morning here on the hacienda. I got my twins dressed up, black pants, red shirts. Yeah. Of course, she getting him a big drink of water, getting ready for his class. Little Samantha, good morning. Good morning, cutie pie. Say, good morning. Aw, she's so sweet, folks. Forrest G getting ready. You ready, Buddy Rowe? It is pandemonium around here. Fatima, get them shoes fixed today, baby, because it's going to take me a few days to get some new shoes on Lazada. So just take them, get them glued back together so the teachers don't yak me. Yeah. Baby, you're looking beautiful this morning. I have to give it to you. You are looking quite stellar today. Beautiful. Because I like, and I cannot lie. Son, climb down from there, buddy.
Let's go.
Time to roll. Yeah, happy boy this morning. Ladies, can I ask you a serious question? Did you miss me when I was gone for 5 minutes? How much did you ladies miss me while I was gone? I know you did. I know you did, baby. It's okay. My goodness, waking up to these beautiful ladies every day. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Let's go, son. You playing jokes on mama. Let's roll, everybody. What's that, Jessica? And first, I'm going to start translating what Jessica's saying in Tagalog. My Tagalog is getting pretty good. What she just said was, you know, Marcos, when you took Maria to school, I missed you so much.
Wow.
That I couldn't wait till you got back.
Wow.
That's the loose translation from Tagalog. Fatima, my goodness. Where did you get? My goodness, folks. Good job. Load them up, everyone. Load them up. Look at this crew. Look at this crew. 2 Filipinas, 2 beautiful babies. How much are you gonna miss me?
Hey,
just me. Have a good time playing, Samantha, Forrest G. We'll see you in about 1 hour. But there's just beautiful spider webs. Hey folks, good morning. I hope you're doing well out there, wherever you're at, on this beautiful, beautiful planet that we call the Earth. Because it is a beautiful day here in the Philippines. Just looking at this beautiful, tropical, lush vegetation. It is hot. There's a cool breeze blowing. I mean, when that cool breeze is blowing and that sun is beating down on you, man, it just makes you feel good. I gave you a slice of my morning. I didn't show you all the carnage of, you know, typical mornings where you try to wake up your kids. They don't want to wake up, or they're slow to get going. It's a typical morning, getting the kids off to school. And Fatima, I have to give a big shout out to Fatima. She has really stepped up her game since you know, the babies are going to school and really handling business every morning as a mother. I'm really proud of her. It just makes a tear roll down my cheek. So anyhow, that's a slice of my morning. It's just a beautiful, beautiful day here in the Philippines. I got to get the mango leaves off my net right here. When they get wet, get a little heavy up there. But it's all good. I don't know where the day's going to take me. But if you're not a subscriber, hit that overstay road sign. Get on board my train. I'll certainly appreciate it, my friends. But some spider webs. That's just too cool. There's just 3 of them right there, just glistening in the sun, if you can see it. Okay, I gotta sit down and stare at the laptop for a little while. But I'm already thinking about texting my buddy Ron and saying, man, let's go to Puzzles Cafe and get some food. Because it is absolutely delicious. Maybe that's what I do. We are back on station at Puzzles. And look who's up in the house. Boom, my man Ron back on station. And folks, my goodness, you cannot beat the food here at Puzzles. Okay, so like when you're filming in restaurants, you don't want to disturb the other patrons, right? I always forget. If you sit with your back to the wall and then you don't disturb anybody because there's nobody in the background, right? But if I have some things to say and I look over my shoulder and there's somebody trying to eat, I try not to disturb them. So I said, you know what, today I'm going to sit with my back to the wall where I can do some more talking. So I went with the Grand Slam breakfast. I'm going to show you. It's like Denny's. It's going to be delicious, I'm sure, like yesterday. But what you love about this place is this is like stepping into America. Just little questions, like you want sausage or bacon? I said, I'll take bacon. She said, you want it crispy or you want it regular? How you want it? I'm like, make that bacon extra crispy for the dog. Yeah. Then I said, hey, can you put some cheese in them eggs? Oh, no problem. And then my man here went with jalapenos. I said, hey man, that's a great idea. So we got scrambled eggs coming with, I got cheese and jalapenos in mine. I mean, how can you not love that, folks? I went with the Grand Slam today with the French toast. Look at that extra crispy on the bacon, cheese, and jalapenos in those eggs. I hope this camera does it some justice. That's my breakfast. My buddy went with the pancakes. And look at that, plenty of ketchup and syrup. Goodness. Look at that. Hell yeah. Now, folks, that French toast right there is heaven. That is absolutely delicious. Cinnamony. Oh my God, that is perfect. Perfect French toast going on there. I can't even move on. You know what? Let me try these eggs here and give you a report on these eggs. I'm about to tear up the French toast. That's the first thing going down the hatch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's better than a Waffle House cheese and eggs right there. Now folks, we're going to talk about a little incident that happened to my man Ron. Now he walked all the way from Walking Street and was coming up that wall right there, which at night is kind of dark, when he was approached by 3 shitheads on a motorbike. And I got to tell the story, but then they eventually pulled over right here at Mount Lion Street, and I'll tell the story there. It's a long story, but my man here had to tell 3 kuyas to go get because they were about to snatch his cell phone. So I guess the quick point while I'm standing out here is if you leave a bar on Walking Street at 2 in the morning, just take a trike back. It's safer to do that. But from the Petron to that church over there, there's no eyes on you. There's no visibility. And it's a perfect place for somebody to pull up next to you and try to snatch something from you. Any dark areas like that. Well, I'll tell the whole story, but I'm standing out here and I don't know how the audio is. But this dude right here had some shitheads approach him the other night, and it was sort of an attempted snatching. Good job, Maria. Mama. Yeah, you're making Jessica a little monster, and baby Samantha. But Mama Jessica is probably not going to be happy. Good job, sweetie. The purple one's broken. She know how to do the lipstick, huh?
Very good. Oh, now more makeup.
Good job, Maria.
Yellow. This one. This no more. Two buttons.
Big Mama got that coconut chopper. Get it, baby. Maria's doing salon for little Samantha. I think Jessica's gonna be surprised.
Finish, baby.
You finished? See how long it takes Jessica to get back over here. Standing right up where she's cooking. Check the look on her face. Will she be surprised to see me standing over here in a Speedo? I'm just kidding. Baby. Baby, you lucky I wasn't standing there in a Speedo. What?